How to use chat to learn NLP. Here are some tips on how to use ChatGPT to learn NLP. 1. Ask questions. One of the best ways to learn is by asking questions. Try asking ChatGPT about specific NLP topics, such as natural language processing techniques, tools, or applications. ChatGPT can provide a brief explanation or refer you to relevant resources. 2. Practice with examples. NLP involves working with real-world text data. Try giving ChatGPT examples of text data and ask it to perform specific tasks, such as sentiment analysis or entity recognition. This will give you a better understanding of how NLP works in practice. 3. Explore related topics. NLP is a vast field that intersects with many other fields, such as machine learning, deep learning, and linguistics. Ask ChatGPT about related topics to deepen your understanding of NLP. 4. Use Chat's resources. ChatGPT can provide links to relevant resources, tutorials, and online courses. Use these resources to supplement your learning and dive deeper into specific NLP topics. 5. Experiment with tools. There are many NLP tools available, such as NLTK, Spacey, and Gensim. Try experimenting with these tools and ask ChatGPT for guidance on how to use them effectively. Overall, using ChatGPT to learn NLP is a great way to supplement your learning and get quick answers to specific questions. However, it's important to remember that ChatGPT is not a substitute for a comprehensive NLP education and should be used as a tool to supplement your learning. Here are some reliable resources related to natural language processing. NLP Natural Language Toolkit, NLTK. NLTK is a popular open-source platform for building NLP applications in Python. It provides a suite of libraries and tools for tasks such as tokenization, stemming, and part-of-speech tagging. You can learn more about NLTK and access its resources at https://www.nltk.org. Spacey. Spacey is another popular open-source NLP library for Python. It offers a range of features for tasks such as named entity recognition, dependency parsing, and text classification. You can learn more about Spacey and access its resources at https://spacey.io. Stanford Core NLP. Stanford Core NLP is a suite of natural language processing tools developed by the Stanford Natural Language Processing Group. It offers a range of features such as part-of-speech tagging, dependency parsing, and sentiment analysis. You can learn more about Stanford Core NLP and access its resources at https://stanfordnlp.github.io/corenlp. Kaggle. Kaggle is a popular platform for data science competitions and has a variety of NLP-related datasets and challenges. You can access NLP datasets and code from Kaggle at https://www.kaggle.com/datasets?tags=14107-natural-language-processing. Coursera. Coursera offers a variety of online courses related to NLP, ranging from beginner-level courses to more advanced topics such as neural networks for NLP. You can browse Coursera's NLP courses at https://www.coursera.org/courses?query=natural%20 language%20 processing. These resources provide a good starting point for anyone interested in learning more about NLP.